First of all, thank you for signing up on our platform. As a reminder, with Fungies, you can easily set up your game's web shop in minutes and start selling your games, in-game items, bundles, and even subscriptions. First, you'll see your dashboard with key statistics like number of visits to your site store, how much sales you've made, and also what are the key steps to get fully onboarded to our platform. Next, you can get your hands on our super simple website editor, complete with different templates so you could jumpstart your game's web shop even faster. You can change the site's logo, footer, add different page sections like galleries, your game's trailer videos, social medias, and so much more. Don't forget to change your banners and also menu positions as well. Now, here comes the core part of the platform. As the next step, you'll need to upload your game by providing basic details like description, main image, and most importantly, Steam keys. Is it even legal to sell Steam keys directly on your web shop? Absolutely. Check out the link in this video's description where Steam themselves explain how to get the keys and if it is possible to distribute via your own storefront. Epic Game Store keys and other platform keys or even mobile in-game items are being developed, and we'll let you know once we release them. Once you've done all of the above steps, your store is ready to be published. Remember to go to settings and publish your store as soon as you've customized the website and added your Steam game keys. If you have your own domain, great! Navigate to settings and add the DNS configuration to your domain hosting provider. By the way, you don't have to pay us any cent using our website builder. Only when you start selling your game or in-game items, we'll then charge 8% and $30 for every transaction. I guess that's still cheaper than 30% commission from Steam, right? From now on, your players will be able to purchase the game. It's really simple. They'll have to add the game to cart, provide the email address to receive the game's key, and pay in more than 250 plus payment methods we've provided. Remember, we aren't the merchant of record. What it means is that we're responsible for collecting and reporting all taxes. We're also accountable for any chargeback or refund from the customer. Refer to the link in this video's description about what it means to be a merchant of record and how it could help you to reduce operational headaches. That's it, you're good to go. If you ever have any questions, talk to us on Discord. Subscribe to our channel for gaming news and new feature updates.